Hi friend, in this video we will see about filters. We can use filters on the sources that we use in OBS Studio. These filters can be used to kind of improve the visibility or change the visibility, or we can also say to change some kind of quality as well. Okay, so there are different types of filters that we can use for different type of sources. So we will see how to add filter, how to delete filter, how to make the change in their priority. Okay, so we will see these things in this video. So first let me add a source. Let's take an image source. Okay, browse. Okay, once you have a source in your preview box, then you can right click on the source, go inside the filter to see what all filters are available. You have to click on the plus icon to see the list of filters that you can apply on that source. Okay, here you can see there are different types of filter like crop. We can crop the image. We can change aspect ratio of this image. We can apply scroll. So these filters can be used with the image in order to make some adjustment with the source. And we can also get more detail about the filters on this page. Here you can see you have to search OBS filters, then you can open wiki link. This is actually the link. Here you can get the detail about filters in OBS Studio. Okay, so let's try to add some filter on the image source. Let's try to use color correction. Okay, here you can change the brightness and the contrast. Okay, and you can also change its opacity like this, and you can also change the color. Okay, so couple of things that you can do with the color correction filters you can do here. Okay, similarly if you want to use another filter, let's try to use crop filter, then we can use this like this way. We can crop the image from, let's say, on from top, and we can crop from bottom. Okay, so we can crop the image as well, and we can also use aspect ratio filter. This can be used to change the resolution. Here you can see you have the option to change its resolution. Okay, and we can also use, let's say, scroll filter. We can change its speed. You can see it's a horizontal scrolling. Okay, so you can move this here and there to increase the speed. Both are okay. You can change the direction as well. If you go in the negative direction, it will go in the right side, and if you go in positive values, then it will go in the left side. Okay, so this is how you can add the filters, and you can also move up and down. Just select that filter and move up if you have used the filters which are having similar kind of functionalities. Then if you want to give any filter priority, then you can move that up. Okay, and we can move down. We can also select the filter, and if we don't want, then we can remove that by clicking on the minus icon and click yes. Okay, so this is how you can use filters in OBS Studio sources in order to make some adjustment in the visibility or quality of your sources. Okay, let us try to add another source. Let's try to add audio input. Okay, let's select my microphone. So if you want to apply filter on this, just right click on this, go inside the filter. Now if you click on the plus icon, you can see there are different filters that you can. So this is actually on the basis of sources that we use. We might have different uh, filters. Here you can use compressor, expander, gain, noise gate, limiter. So you can use these filters in order to improve the quality of your audio that is getting recorded while you are recording the video. Okay, I'll give the link of a video where I am going to tell you how we can improve the quality of audio that we are recording using the OBS Studio. Okay, so we can use these filters. Just select the filter, click OK, and just click plus again and use the filters that you are interested in. You can get the details about these filters on this page. Here you can see what crop filter is, color correction, scroll filter, and audio filters like expander, gain, input, polarity. You can get the detail of these filters on this page. This will definitely help you to understand what that filter does and how you can make it a good use for your recording. Okay, so let's try to see another source. Let's try to add text source. Click OK. My first recording. Click OK. Now right click on this and go to filters. Now here you can see what are the options or the filters that we can use. Let's try to use the color correction. And this one as well. Okay, you can increase the brightness like this, and let's resize this. Okay, so this is how you can uh, add filters, and you can also delete filter if a filter is not meeting your expectation, or it is not that useful for you. You can just select that filter and click on the minus icon and click yes to remove that filter. Okay, so that's all about the filters. So you can explore the page here to get the detail about filters, and then you can use the filters that can be helpful for you or that can make your recording a bit better. Okay, so that's all about the filters. I hope the video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video.